Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share you changing color animation. First, I will create the background. I will use gradients. I will click here once and click once more time, and then click here, and then I will use this circular gradient. I will change the center color to white, and I will change it to this gray, and then I will add a color. I will change the middle to white. Okay, and then I will type the name of the brand. For example, the name of the brand is Cyan, and the font I will change to the seasons, and then I will increase the size like this, and I will change the color to this dark gray. I will place it in the center, and then I will click this thumbnail view. Okay, I will click the duration, and then I will add the photo. I will send it to front, and then remove the background. Okay, so I will place it here, and then I will drag a ruler, a guideline here. Okay, and then I will add the guideline for the opposite position. Now I will duplicate it. Right click and duplicate, or you can use Ctrl D. Now I will set the duration to 2 seconds and apply to all pages. And then I will go to page 2. I will move it here, okay, until it touch the guideline. And I will send this brand name to the right. Okay. Now I will duplicate page 1. For example, just twice, so it has 3. This page 4, I will duplicate twice. And then I will place this page to page 2, and the 5th to page 4. And then I will click this transition, and click match and move. Set the duration to maximum, and then apply between all pages. Now go to page 1, and then select this woman, and then go to edit, go to adjust, and then scroll down. I will change the blue to red, change the hue to red, and then add the saturation to make it more red, more bright, and then you can add the brightness. Okay, but I will keep it 0. Now click the page 2, select this woman, and then go to edit, and then click adjust. I will change the blue to black, so I will just lower the saturation to -100 and the brightness to -100. Now change the color of the woman on these 4 pages using the same method. Okay, now let's play it. And then download it as MP4. Okay, so this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.